DIY Home Improvement Crash Course, Electrical Repairs and Safety. Introduction. Welcome to the DIY Home Improvement Crash Course. In this module, we will delve into the world of electrical repairs and safety. While electricity powers our modern lives, it's essential to approach electrical work with caution and knowledge. Understanding basic electrical repairs and safety techniques can help you tackle minor electrical issues and ensure a safe living environment. In this crash course, we will share interesting stories, provide an overview of the top 12 electrical repairs and safety techniques, and equip you with the skills to handle electrical tasks confidently. Let's explore the fascinating world of wires, circuits, and outlets. Stories and examples. 1. The flickering lights. Imagine sitting in your living room, and suddenly the lights start flickering, creating an eerie atmosphere. You decide to investigate the issue and discover a loose connection in the light fixture. With the power turned off, you tighten the wires, restoring a stable and well-lit environment. 2. The faulty outlet. Picture plugging in a device, only to find that the outlet is not functioning. Instead of relying on an electrician, you decide to troubleshoot the problem yourself. You use a voltage tester to confirm that the outlet is not receiving power, check the circuit breaker, and reset it to restore power to the outlet. Top 12 electrical repairs and safety techniques. 1. Changing a light fixture. Safely replacing a light fixture by disconnecting the power, removing the old fixture, and connecting the new one. 2. Installing a ceiling fan. Mounting the fan, connecting the wiring, and ensuring proper balancing and functionality. 3. Replacing a switch or outlet. Upgrading or replacing switches and outlets, following safety procedures and proper wiring techniques. 4. Troubleshooting circuit breakers. Identifying and resetting tripped circuit breakers to restore power. 5. Installing a GFCI outlet. Adding ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, outlets in areas prone to moisture to protect against electrical shocks. 6. Upgrading electrical panels. Replacing outdated electrical panels and breakers to accommodate increased electrical needs. 7. Handling a power outage. Knowing how to safely respond to a power outage, including checking circuit breakers and contacting the utility company if necessary. 8. Installing smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Properly positioning and connecting detectors to ensure early warning of potential hazards. 9. Wiring a three-way switch. Connecting switches that control a single light from two different locations. 10. Repairing extension cords. Fixing damaged cords by replacing plugs, repairing insulation, or using heat shrink tubing. 11. Grounding electrical systems. Ensuring proper grounding of electrical systems for safety and protection against electrical faults. 12. Practicing electrical safety. Adhering to safety guidelines, such as turning off power before working on electrical components and using insulated tools. Summarization. Electrical repairs and safety are crucial aspects of home maintenance. By understanding the top 12 techniques, you can confidently handle minor electrical tasks, troubleshoot issues, and prioritize safety. Remember to follow safety procedures, turn off power when necessary, and seek professional help for complex electrical work. With the right knowledge, you can maintain a safe and functional electrical system in your home. Poem. In a realm of unseen power, where currents flow, electrical repairs and safety, we come to know. Flickering lights, faulty outlets, we'll conquer them all. With caution and knowledge, we'll stand tall. From changing fixtures to installing fans, we'll master the art with steady hands. Circuit breakers, GFCI outlets, we'll understand their might. Ensuring safety, day and night. With smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms, we'll protect our homes with open arms. Wiring switches and troubleshooting outages, we'll overcome challenges with electrical savviness. Safety first, always in mind. Turning off power, the rule will bind. Grounding systems, repairs to cords. Our electrical prowess, a reward. Song. Verse 1. Wires and circuits, a hidden symphony. Electrical repairs, a DIY odyssey. From flickering lights to faulty plugs. We'll conquer them all, no matter the bugs. Chorus. Electrical repairs and safety, we'll embrace. In our homes, a secure space. With knowledge and caution, we'll stand strong. Mastering the current, all day long. Verse 2. Changing fixtures, installing fans. We'll handle the tasks with skillful hands. Circuit breakers, GFCI outlets too. Our electrical prowess will shine through. Chorus. Electrical repairs and safety, we'll embrace. In our homes, a secure space. With knowledge and caution, we'll stand strong. Mastering the current, all day long. Bridge. Smoke detectors, carbon monoxide alarms. We'll protect our loved ones from electrical harms. Wiring switches, troubleshooting outages. Our skills will shine through electrical stages. Chorus. Electrical repairs and safety, we'll embrace. In our homes, a secure space. With knowledge and caution, we'll stand strong. Mastering the current, all day long. Outro. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.